Eddie and Ellie's Opposites at the Farm by Rebecca Rissman. Meet Eddie and Ellie. This is Ellie the elephant. This is her friend Eddie the elephant. Ellie and Eddie don't always agree. Opposites. Eddie and Ellie almost always like opposite things. Opposites are completely different from each other. This morning, Ellie woke up bright and early. But Eddie slept in and woke up late. A visit to a farm. This afternoon, Eddie and Ellie are going to visit a farm. Some farms raise animals. Some farms grow crops. Some farms do both. Farmers work on farms. Dirty and clean. Ellie likes dirty animals at the farm. This pig is dirty. Eddie likes clean animals at the farm. These ducks are clean. Big and small. Ellie likes to look at big animals at the farm. Bulls are big. Eddie likes to look at small animals at the farm. Rabbits are small. Quiet and loud. Ellie likes quiet jobs at the farm. Picking weeds is a quiet job. Eddie likes loud jobs at the farm. Driving the tractor is a loud job. Tall and short. Ellie likes tall plants at the farm. Apple trees are tall. Eddie likes short plants at the farm. Strawberry plants are short. Fast and slow. Ellie likes animals that are fast. Horses run fast. Eddie likes animals that are slow. Cows are slow. Young and old. Ellie likes young farmers. This farmer is young. Eddie likes old farmers. This farmer is old. Can you work it out? Ellie likes farm work that is hard. Do you think Eddie likes work that is hard or easy?